Good morning. Today I want to tell about a k-means clustering, a small example. Okay. First, the question is apply k-means clustering algorithm for the following data set for the clusters 2. Okay. You have to tabulate all the assignments what you have given in the data set. Okay. Sample example here we have taken medicines A, B, C, D. Okay, the weight is 1, 2, 4, 5 and the pH value is 1, 1, 3, 4. Okay, now initially how many clusters we have to take? That is k equal to 2 clusters and the first centroid value C1 cluster is A. Initial randomly I can take any cluster. First I have taken A for the cluster 1. Okay, and for the cluster 2 I have taken a C. I can take B or D, whatever it may be. First randomly I had taken C1 and C2 are two different clusters. That is C1. What are the centroid value of C1? C1 values are 1, 1. 1, 1. And C2 values are, what are the C2 values? That is, first I have taken a C1 as A and C2 as C. Is it right? The C2 value is 4 and 3. So the centroid values are 4, 3. Okay, in pictorial representation, I want to show you that the C1 cluster and the C2 cluster. Okay, first initial I have taken C1 as A and C2 as C. Okay, now the how to find out the distance between the two clusters. Okay, distance between the two clusters. Okay, so I have remaining B and D are there. A B belongs to which cluster? I have to calculate. See, I have a formula for the Euclidean distance. Euclidean distance formula is under the square root of x observed minus x observed minus x centroid value. Is it right? Plus y observed minus y centroid values. Okay, so what is the observed? What is the x centroid values here? XC, YC. For the centroid C1, for the cluster C1, and for the cluster C2, XC, YC. That is centroid values. These are two are centroid values. So what is the observed value here for the cluster B? For the data set B, X observed value and Y observed value. Okay, now I want to calculate for the center 1 cluster 1 for the data set B, C1 now B. Okay, now x observed means 2 minus 1. X centered value means 1. 2 minus 1 whole square plus y observed means 1. 1 minus 1 whole square. Then you will get 1 plus 1. So root 2, the value is 1. The value is 1. Okay, now we have to find out center 2. Cluster 2 value is there, no? So cluster 2 value of B. Again, for the B cluster, we have already calculated the Euclidean distance. Okay, again the B has to be calculated with the cluster 2. That is, here what is observed value? Observed value again 2 minus centered value is 4. 2 minus 4 whole square plus next 1 minus y centered value is 3. 3 whole square. Now minus, what's the value of that? Minus 2 whole square plus minus 2 whole square. Is it right? Yeah. Minus 2 whole square. See here, the values of 4. The Root of 8. Root of 8 value is 2.8. Is it right? 2.8. Yeah. Now which one is smaller? Yeah, cluster 1 is smaller. Now the cluster B goes to which cluster? Either C1 or C2. Yeah, already with the C1 it has got the minimum distance, so that B goes to C1. Now we update C1 centroid. Now I have to update C1 centroid. Okay, so how to update the centroid values? That is old plus new by 2. You all know that old plus new by 2 comma old plus new by 2. Okay, what is the old value of C1? Yeah, we have a 1 and 1. 1 is the old central values. Now the new central values is 2 and 1. Okay, old means 1 plus new means 2. Yes, 1 plus 2 by 2 comma again the old value is 1 plus 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2. Now 3 by 2 comma 2 by 2. So that I got the new values 1.5 comma 1. That this is the new centered value. Okay. This is the new centered value. Okay. Now already we got is C1. Now C1 is 1.5 comma 1. With this new centered value again we have to calculate for the D. Okay, D data set is there. Now I have updated C1 value. Instead of 1 comma 1, the new centered value is 1.5 comma 1. Then C2 is same, that is 4 comma 3. Okay, again we have to calculate C1 of, already we have calculated C1 of B, no? Now we have to calculate C1 of D. That is here observed value. What one is observed value? It is the centered value. Is it right? XC Y C. What is the observed values? X naught, Y naught. Okay. Now X observed minus X centered. X observed means 5 minus 1.5 whole square plus 4 minus which one? 1 whole square. Is it right? Okay, now we will get 25.5. At last we will get the value of 12.5. Okay. Now we have to calculate it for cluster 2. Okay, cluster 2 values are X centroid value minus X observed. That is X observed value is 5 minus 4 whole square. That is Y observed 4 minus now 3. 4 minus 3 whole square. That is 1 whole square plus 1 whole square. Yeah, we'll get root 2. That is value is 1.4. Okay, so which one is smaller, 12.5 or 1.4? Yeah, 1.4. Now which one goes to C1? D. So D goes to C1 or C2? Yeah, definitely we can say D goes to D data set goes to the C2. So now we update C2 values. Okay, now we have to update C2 centroid values. So C2 new values. How to update the centroid values? Old plus new by 2. We all know that old plus new by 2 comma old plus new by 2. Old plus new by 2. Okay. Old plus new by 2 means, old means here 4. 4. Okay. Old means 4. New means 5. Okay. 4 plus 5 by 2. Again, the old values 3. 3 plus 4 by 2. That is 3 plus 4 by 2. That is 9 by 2 comma 7 by 2. What's the value of that? 4.5, 4.5 comma 3.5. These are the new centroid values. Okay. So now we conclude that B cluster goes to C1 because C1 will get a lesser than second cluster. So it is a near minimum distance when compared to the C2. So now the B goes to which cluster? C1. Okay, now you can see D. D goes to which cluster? Yeah, now D goes to C2 cluster. Yes, we can group according to the similarities. A near distance, Euclidean distance which is having a near distance, then we make them into a single group or cluster. Now we conclude that A and B belongs to cluster 1 and C and D are belongs to cluster 2. Okay, what are the new centroid values? Actually old values are 1 comma 1 for C1. Now the new values for the C1 is 1.5 comma 1. For the cluster 2, what are the new values? 4.5 comma 35. So already we have a 4 data sets. We grouped them into 2 clusters, C1 and C2. So we can randomly choose first A and C. Now B and D, which clusters? It will go which clusters? Then we conclude by calculating the Euclidean distance. We can come to know that A and B are cluster 1 and C and D are cluster 2. Hope you all understood. Okay. Thank you.